There's a beautiful case which came to me. He was a salesman in a shoe shop. So this particular patient had a right-sided gynecomastia. Gynecomastia is a swelling of the chest in male, and it looks terrible. Sometimes it looks like a breast. And most of the people make fun of such patients. And this guy was working in a shoe shop. The other salesman, just to make a fun, while passing, they would touch the right side of the chest. Sometimes they would try to press the chest, making fun of him that you have chest or the breast which is similar to a female. The patient became very conscious and he started wearing 2 shirts, 3 shirts, just to hide the breast growth. It became a big problem for him and he didn't know what to do. Normally they are painless, but he had pain which was aggravated by movement, weightlifting and change of position. So by the movement, by the weightlifting and change of position, he would have problems. Ranveer had to leave. Anyway, the patient recovered completely with cannabis sativa 200. Okay. Ranveer, others will update you. The pain was better by heart pressure lying on the affected side. He was also suffering from bronchial asthma. Respiratory rate was very high, which was better by rest. What is the remedy? Bryonia. Yes, everybody will think of bryonia. Better by rest, aggravated by movement, lying on the affected side, better by pressure, is typical bryonia. No, the remedy is not bryonia. I'll give you some more symptoms. There was a profuse perspiration, sleep was disturbed, he required fan always. He never covered himself with marked desire for eyes. Marked desire for eyes. Now comes the right remedy. He would be angered by contradiction and he was scared of his father. Weight was 50 kg, teeth irregular, swelling on the right side of the chest, quite a big one. When I examined him, it was totally like a fully developed breast. Yes, the remedy is right. See now how fast and how easy it becomes. When you focus on the patient, the prescription becomes very easy. So we gave medorinum. Now what miasm it is here? What miasm? Please friends, psychotic? Why? Why? Why psychotic? Swelling of the chest, the growth is typical psychotic. It's a benign growth. It's not malignant, so it is psychotic. And asthma is also psychotic. See, two psychotic traits, okay, coming together. Now, What should be the potency? What should be the potency? And why? And the repetition. What is the sensitivity of this patient? Sensitivity is very high. Very good, very good. He has been reacting. And what is the susceptibility? Susceptibility. Moderate. Very good. Very good. Moderate to low. So sensitivity high, susceptibility low. What potency you will select? Psychotic state. So you have to think of medium potency, 30 potency. The patient was given 30 potency. How frequently you will give? How frequently you will give? I am enjoying this webinar. Are you? Are you enjoying the webinar? I am enjoying it. See, when you work out the case, understand this, that when you work out the case, the remedy is not the first remedy. When you repertorize the case, remedy cannot be the first remedy always. You can see here, the symptoms are covered by, all the symptoms are covered by 1 and 2, both the remedies. Understand? So we say advanced cross, and we say all the things. See, this cross allows you to do cross that all the symptoms which we have recorded have to be covered by the case. And we have veratrum, arsenic, and medorinum. 3 remedies covering all the symptoms. What will you do now? Is the patient hot or chilly? Is the patient hot or chilly? Hot. So you apply a medicine filter hot. Okay? And when you apply the filter hot, automatically the other 2 remedies are filtered out. And you get the only remedy, which is medorinum. Isn't it easy to prescribe a right medicine? Friends, please focus on your patients and you will see amazing results. And in this 40 years, I've treated more than 10,000 cases of asthma. I've really enjoyed helping. So medorinum was given 1 dose every night because it's a slow growing growth. You cannot give higher potency. Okay? It was repeated 7 days, 10 days, continuously, nearly for 3 months with a gap in between. Some gaps were given, 2 weeks it was given, then a gap for 1 week, again it was given. The patient recovered completely, the swelling disappeared, and he was able to face everybody. He also felt that he never had asthma. So when you give the right medicine, even the asthma disappears. Okay? What is the learning? Using the characteristic symptoms of the patient and prescribing the medicine, selection of the correct symptoms or the rubric for the repertorization is very, very important.